out early this morning. Craig Cerrig Gleislad, which is a nature reserve just to the west of Penavon. All the masses are going at Penavon. We're just going around here before the sun gets down. It's too hot. I'll just turn you around and have a look. So we're up at the marker stones. If you're following the blue route up from two guided walks up, there's a red and a blue trail. Penavon's behind me. Pontefract car park looks like it's getting busy, so it's the 470. Everyone day trekking at Penavon. Quite a few wild campers out, so our plan is, if we can see it, that's Craig Gleislad, is we're going to follow the path up to there and come down the side of it, back down towards the car park. And it's getting warm. Bye for now. So we got Van Vour over there, Pontefract and the Storyams car park, which is looking busy already. Must be mad. Central Brink is a Penavon, and very hazy across to the Black Mountains. It looks like it's going to be another hot day. So I'm glad I'm out early. Oh, somebody wants to make a picture. Oh, there we are. Bye. So just make a descent now down this steep track down to the side. I'll bring you back at the bottom. Bye for now. Now for the steep descent. Well, that's the steep bit descended, and just pan round, you see the whole of the glacial come. Met one other person who's hiking up there today. Hope she enjoys our walk, and we just work our way down to where the path joins that wall down there, which is the end of the walk, through Craig Cerrig Gleislad Nature Reserve. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.